Good morning, everyone. I am Frederick Salimi. I would like to explain today how a SCE monitor works for your project. First of all, for example, for this project, we have 45 safety critical elements, and these are, for example, structural integrity, hydrocarbon containment, up to the resources and competency. So for each of this system, for the life cycle, we have we created calendar year tasks, in general, documentation, discussions, link to computerized maintenance management system, link to document control, and link to vendors and contact, etc. This is the same for all these performance standards. If you look at, for example, for hydrocarbon containment, here it is not. It is if you here it is like this calendar year task, etc. So I would like to explain how it works. Uh, the First of all, about the documentation, for example, for this structural integrity, there is a life cycle management plan, and this life cycle management plan, it is in Word file, and you can download it here, and you click here, and you can download. When it comes download, you show it in your folder, and you can register it somewhere, and you can work on this. So this is the way that it works. So life cycle management plan, basically it is a document that which shows that all the documents related to this system, structural integrity, roles and responsibility, and the performance standards for this, an action plan, and the register of this system. So each system, if there is any modification important, you can, and this is what's done for up to the year 2020, and if it is for next year, for example, if you go for the life cycle management plan, you can write it, you can download it, and you put it in the system for each year. If there is any modification important, you can show it to the authority that you can manage the system. So I would like to show you here, for example, there is certain things is important here. For example, for this structural integrity, if there is any calendar, for example, now we are in November, and we want to write something in 29th November, for example, in there is a meeting. There will be a meeting on. Let's take it for December. For example, here you can go for putting on December. For example, here you put for the 9th of December, and you want that in 9th of December. You want to have a for example, a failure on this structural same failure. So you say here structural failure, and location unit 100, and you put a start at this time. And here, when you click here, when you come to the body, you can insert the video and the image of the area, etc. And then you save it. You have here, if there is any inspection, maintenance, modification, training, all of these things you can record it here. So if you see, for example, here there is for a unit that there is for unit 1, if you be registered, and if you click here, you can go and find all the things, and you can also later modify this and by adding other things after inspection, etc., about this failure. So one of the things is here is calendar that you can register everything. So of course, this is a demo version. It can be installed in the company intranet, and there are other checkbox will be added if the company require for that. The other thing is about a task. Task is very important because, for example, any things for this structural integrity is a critical item. So any task related to this, if they are critical. For example, if you have a new task, for example, you want to write a task, for example, visual inspection, or with R hash. For example, you want to do something with third party. So you want to this become started, and for example, on December 29th, and you want to finish it the same day, uh, and you want to assign it to, for example, here, myself, Frederic Salimi, and Fabian Salimi. So, and you can show more, and you can explain the things, and even here, when you are here, you can insert a document, agenda, everything's for this, and you save this. So when you save this visual inspection comes here. Then later, for example, you have a meeting you want to report for doing it. It is in 31 days, and you want to, for example, you want to open it, and for any reason you want to put another person here, and you say, okay, it is at now it's 50% has been done, everything, so the progress goes up to 50%. So, and then so you see here the name of the person, etc. Here the new task, for example, if you want to have a meeting, for example, a SCE meeting about this P1, and you wanted to put it on the on November 30th, the same day. Copy, and you want to put it here for somebody's on a Frederic Salimi, and with Rashid Emala. So when you put, and of course here agenda, everything, you can insert this one, and you save it. So if you the task here, it comes, and then you can say here, you can, if you put from a start and the final date, it can create for your Gantt chart, how it can, and the Gantt chart, then you can export it to Excel and work with it. So the other things is here, you can say, you can see late task. If it become late task, it becomes red, and if it is oncoming task, you can see, and you can see my task, because here is my task, and task, for example, completed. You can see late task, or and we can also modify the things for you based on your design, but this is a generic one that you can see it is task management, and anything that here you write it here, and there goes an email to the people, and they can see their email there. So this is the way that it works. For the documentation, you have the possibility of creating a folder for the different subjects. And here, for example, we created if there is any translation in in French, what is the related GTG document, inspection, life cycle maintenance, sponsor, etc., and vendor documents. So this, and then when you are in here, you can upload it file from the files, etc. When you upload this, then there is a possibility here you can share it or uh, or you send it to other people. The other aspects is discussion. For example, if you have integrity, you can create a new discussion and put here the things that you want. And also, for example, this is something that I created here. And if you are going here, you can add the and your comments, etc. So this can be used for as discussion comments for any other things. Links to CMMS, and this is you can create a different folder and you can put the URL address. For example, if you put a new item, you can put, for example, if I put www something, you click on this, you can go to this website. This can be also done the same thing for document control vendor. If there is a link and if you have in your intranet or extranet in the website, all this can be recorded here. And of course, the contact of the right people for this, you can put the right hand of the sponsor, the people I will be external parties for this. So if you see the same things is written for anti-collision, PM, P4, etc. So you have if you click in your name and you say view my profile, you can change your password, and we give a password to you, and there is here is if you go my account, you can change your password, and this powerful password for security or password here, you can change the password. So now if I go to the system once more, so here, as you see here, you can go your profile and change your password. But the most important is near to the SharePoint here. You have Outlook. All the tasks of related to this goes to this. For example, if there is any task comes, will be here. You can also have a OneDrive. You can put for your personal things here. You have online export this Word and all this Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and you have possibility of team. And you can with the team you can schedule meeting. For example, if I write it here, you can put a right meeting. For example, P1 structural integrity. Uh, integrity, and you want to have a meeting with me, or I cannot come here, but you can put it in here as Fabian or Rashid Demala. And when you put it here, you can say, okay, we want a meeting on 22nd at 11 o'clock up to the 12 o'clock, and here you can when you are here you can add your text, and you say here if I put it here like this, and you say okay, envoyer. So this task will be if we go to the November to maybe if you go to December, I put it somewhere in December. I don't remember for per months, but anyhow, it will be registered here. For example, if I have this one, then I say rejoin to this meeting, and I will put it rejoin. And when I'm here, there is a possibility to register this meeting. There is possibility if you click here, you can share your screen with people during the day. You can also send a chat. You can write even you can send a file during the meeting, etc. If you do this, and also you can invite the people who are in this meeting to join you. So the team, we work very well with team after this confinement with COVID-19, and it is very good for our meeting. So there are other things that I would like to show you. Here. So the main important things here is structural integrity, and there are all the documents related to integrity, written scheme of examination, etc. We got it from project, and it is here. The other things that I would like to show you, that this is a dossier of Arahash. Here about regulation for the authorities here. There are presentation for Arahash, and also here you can see all the relative documents for example for 220, all of them here. And the important things, for example, for this resource and things, these are the people of our people in PMCO Pro, and any documents should be signed by the responsible accountant and endorse, and any modification of this should be through formal process. So there is also we have also the training spaces. This is Adam Academy. We represent Adam Academy here. You can download one of the typical PowerPoint presentation about integrity you will see here. And also there will be a discussion workspace for the people who attend the meeting with the registered training courses for all related things in the system. There is a link to EIP for the training, other formal training centers. So as a whole, the system works like this. You should not forget each of these workspaces. As I said, there are calendar that you put the calendar, the task and documentation, and web link to the other areas. And also, when you click here, you can see the email of the task which is given to you with the possibility of the team and stream. I hope that this small presentation helped you to use this system efficiently, and you can send any questions that you have. You can send us through your email, for example, if you are in your email, and you can send a new mail to Frederick, myself, or other people in the group that will be assigned to assist you for your project, and they will answer very quickly to you. So I wish you a very good day, and I hope that you enjoy to work with this SCE monitor. It is designed for the life cycle, especially the calendar. The calendar is the record of everything that you do, anything related to any system. and also management of the task which are critical, and you can monitor all the tasks and the document control. And don't forget that in any in this life cycle management, it is something that for example, if it is a Word document, it can be shared for 5, 6 people. They can work at the same time on this one. For example, if there is a process safety manager, engineer manager, or other people, they can work on this for 2021, and if you be registered, and all the people can work on one document at the same time. So I wish you a very good day. And as I said, we are here. And if you have any question, we will be happy to answer to your questions. Have a good day and talk to you later. Bye.